So you bought the GoPro Hero 12 Black and now you need a memory card and you're not sure which one to buy? Well, you're in luck because GoPro has created a list of their recommended memory cards that they say will work with the GoPro Hero 12 Black. We'll have a look at that list. We'll also look at some of the classifications and what they mean, and then we'll jump over to Amazon and I'll show you many of those cards. At the end, I'll share with you which memory cards I've been using in this GoPro that I've had great luck with, and I'll give you some of my recommendations. Now, if you are interested in any of those cards or my favorite accessories, they're all linked below, but let's go ahead and dive right into it. So here's the list that GoPro has put together for the recommended micro SD cards for your GoPro Hero 12 Black, and I'll have this link below. They also say these are great for your Hero 11 Black, 11 Black Mini, 10 Black, and 10 Black Bones. And what they're saying is, as a minimum requirement, that you need a V30 or a UHS 3 rating, and we'll have a look at that in a moment. But you can see there's several different brands here, and we'll go through these a little bit more in depth as well in a moment. But a couple things I want to point out. There's only a couple brands here that they're saying are recommending the 1 terabyte cards with, and that is SanDisk. You can see it's got the 1 terabyte, as well as the Gigastone cards have 1 terabyte there as well. And I typically use 256 gigabyte cards in my GoPros, and I get about 9 hours and 13 minutes of recording in 4K 60 at 10-bit color. And for 1080p 60, I get about 14 hours and 29 minutes, just for your reference there. Now let's jump over to this speed chart. So again, they were saying a minimum of UHS 3, which is right here, and V30. So you can see that in the middle. That says a minimal sequential write speed of 30 megabytes per second. And over here on the chart, you can see that that corresponds to 4K video. So if you are looking to do higher video down the road, you're probably going to want to look for a V60 or V90 card. That kind of gets into the 8K video. But for the GoPro, they're recommending UHS 3 and V30. So let's jump over to Amazon and have a closer look at many of these memory cards over there. And again, they're all linked below in the description. It'll give you a better idea of what to expect and the pricing. And of course, the pricing is always changing. What you see today is likely different tomorrow. The first card I want to look at, though, is the SanDisk Extreme, and this is the 128 gigabyte version. This card is actually the card that they sell on the GoPro website. So if you're looking for that, it is available on Amazon for 128 gigabytes, $12.99. Now, again, remember, SanDisk is one of the cards that you can get in the 1 terabyte version, and those are $101.90. And 256, those are $20.99. So a great value on the 256 gigabyte cards. They also sell, and on the list is the SanDisk Extreme Plus. These seem to be a little bit harder to find and a little bit more expensive. So these ones, $87, and that's for a 256 gigabyte card. And again, that's the V30 U3 rating. So the same as the SanDisk Extreme. And then 64 gigabytes is $16.97. Now, another popular card here, this one's very popular, is the SanDisk Extreme Pro. The price does jump up on these, but $28.99 gets you the 256 gigabyte version of the card. Again, that's the Pro card. It still has the UHS 3 rating and the V30. So let's jump over to Lexar branded cards. They've got a few different series here. The Lexar Fly series, $26.99 for the 256 gigabyte cards. Now they do have a couple of professional series cards as well, and I think these might be the better option for you. They've got the Lexar Professional 1066. This is the silver series card, and 256 gigabytes here, $20.49. Some great prices on those. And again, keep in mind, 512 gigabytes is the largest size currently on that chart on the GoPro website, $39.49 for a 512. Now, if we jump over to the Gold Series Lexar card, this is one of the few cards I was able to find that had the V60 rating. So a faster card even here. And for 128 gigabytes, $147. So again, this one has the V60 rating on it. Now, PNY has a few series of cards as well, including a couple of them, the Pro Elite. Here's an example, 256 gigabytes, again, U3V30, $19.99. Great price on that card. And then they've got the Elite X series, U3V30, 128 gigabytes, $11.99. I haven't used these cards. If you have and they've worked well for you, leave a comment in the comments section below. Now, Samsung has several cards as well. So we'll jump over to Samsung. And again, on that chart, the maximum size is 512 gigabytes. But the Evo Select here, the Samsung Evo Select, V30, U3, 256 gigabytes, again, $19.99 for that. If you do want the 512 gigabyte card, currently $34.99. So a little bit larger card for you there. They've got a few more series here. So the Evo Plus, similar pricing, $19.97 for 256 and $31.89 for the 512 gigabytes. So definitely some good deals there. Now they've also got a couple of Pro Series cards. So the Samsung Pro Plus, currently on sale for roughly the same price again, $19.99 on that V30 U3. And then they've got the Samsung Pro Ultimate card, great card. And this one is $29.99 for 256 gigabytes. And if you do want the 512, that one jumps up to $59.99. So a couple final brands of cards here. We've got the Gigastone cards. Now, they offer V60 and V90 cards, which I could not find. So if you find them, those are really fast cards here. But they've got the 4K Camera Pro cards here, and this one's 256 gigabytes. That is $39.99. Now, if you do want the 1 terabyte card, because this is one of the cards they do have on the list as 1 terabyte, $144.99 for the Gigastone card. Now there's also the Amazon Basics card, and this again up to 512 gigabytes. Just to give you an idea, $24.67 currently for the Amazon Basics card in 256 gigabytes. So that is available. And then the last one on the list is Kingston. These are the Canvas Go, again available in several different sizes. The largest one on the list is 256 gigabytes, so keep that in mind. Not 512 or 1 terabyte. And this one, for example, for 256 is $23.93. And again, that has the U3 V30 rating on it. So let's quickly go over the memory cards that I've been using in the GoPro Hero 12 Black, and I'll give you a few of my recommendations here. The first one is the SanDisk Extreme. And again, this is the one they sell on the GoPro website. I've got a few of these in the 256 gigabyte size, and I've had zero problems with these cards. They've worked great for me. And remember, these Samsung cards you can get in the 1 terabyte size as well. I know I've had people asking me that in the past, and those are $101.90 for those. The 256 is around $21 currently. So some great prices on those cards. The other one I've used quite a bit, again for the 12, 11, and 10, is the Lexar Professional 1066X, roughly the same price at $20.49. Those are a great card as well. So those would be kind of the two that I would recommend from my point of view for the regular cards. If you are looking for a professional card, I have not tried these cards, but I've heard a lot of good things. I've got a lot of comments about this one, the SanDisk Extreme Pro. A lot of people have used this in their GoPros and they love these ones. There is a bit of a price jump. They're currently at $28.99 for those ones. And if you want the Samsung version, I've heard a lot of good things about this. I've used Samsung cards in the past and I have had great luck. The Samsung Pro Ultimate, $29.99 for that one. Now, if you are looking for the faster cards, I know I'd mentioned Gigastone has some V60 and V90 cards. I couldn't find those. Let me know if you do find them. But those would be very fast cards. The other one is the Lexar Professional 1000X Gold Series card, and this one has the V60 rating there. So this is going to be an extremely fast and professional card. So if you're looking for something high-end, this would be a great option for you. You do pay a premium for that. 128 gigabytes is currently at $147. And those would be my thoughts and recommendations on the memory cards. So I hope this video helped you decide on a memory card for your GoPro Hero 12 Black. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.